Hello Monsters. Today we're going to show you how to do an oil change on your Monster Moto Youth mini bike. So the first thing we want to do is put a pan underneath the bike. We're going to block the back end so the oil will drain to the front. We're going to go ahead and take this front bolt out, which is actually the drain plug. It's a 10 millimeter. You go ahead and get that started. Go ahead and take that out. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the oil fill, open that up and let the air go through there. Okay, the engine's drained. We're going to go ahead and clean up some of the oil that's spilled here. Okay, we're going to put our drain plug back in. Make sure you have the washer in there. We'll spin that in. Go ahead and tighten that up. Don't over tighten it, just make sure it's nice and snug. We're going to go ahead and move the oil pan. We're going to unblock the back so it's level. Going to take a funnel, put the funnel in. Get our 10W30 oil. We're basically going to fill it to the top of this fill tank, or to where the oil is just about the same level as this bottom lip right here. So we've got it filled up with oil right to the bottom of the fill tube here. We're going to go ahead and check the oil now. And it's to the top of the hash marks. Replace it. Wipe it off. And we're done with our oil change. If you have any other questions about your Monster Moto product, please feel free to call us at our toll-free number, 855-833-6483, or visit us on the web at www.monstermoto.com, where you'll find various service videos and your closest authorized Monster Moto repair center.